how to get unbanned from Roblox. So first, what you want to do is just search for Roblox Support on your search bar on your browser. So search for Roblox Support, then simply tap on the first link right here. Make sure it is the official website of Roblox, and just simply input your contact information like your first name, username, email address, and you need to confirm your email address right there. And here on issue details, just tap on please select and tap on the device that you are using. So I'm currently using a PC. And here on type of help category, just find moderation right here. Then here at the bottom of it, just simply tap on anything right here. So let's say I was wrongly moderated for something I said. And here on description of issue, you could now type in anything that could support what you said right here, or maybe Roblox made a mistake and you want to say to them, just simply need to put it here on the description. And now just tap on continue. And once that's done, just wait for a few days or maybe a few hours till Roblox get back to you, and wait for them to make a choice if you can be unbanned or not. And that's how you basically get unbanned on Roblox.